Gam Saravana Bhava Om Hum Gam Saravana Bhava. Animals have instincts, and they are also conscious. Their life purpose is to survive and continue their species. They all have their purpose in this miraculous energy cycle called life. They react and act and eat and rest, and they have emotions, at least most of them. This concerns all animals, even domesticated animals who live with people. Deep inside, we are animals who react and act, and this is very important thing to understand in your spiritual path. Basically, there is two meditative ways to be the master of your reactions and master your own life. Not to react or react naturally. Both ways can be used to your spiritual growth. In the first one, you don't react to any impulses from outside world, but you are still conscious about this reaction-action cycle. You stay undisturbed, and you learn to stay in the state of inner peace. In the second one, you let yourself act naturally, being still conscious about what it caused this reaction-action cycle, and then learn to choose when to react and when not. And you learn to act in inner peace. Let's take an example. You sit on a chair, and a fly comes and buzzes around you disturbingly. In the first way, you don't let it disturb, and you prevent your reactions to go to action. You stay calm. In the second way, you let yourself to react and act naturally, and then you begin to choose, do you need to react and act or not? All the spiritual meditative ways are mixtures of these two basic ways, because we are individuals. The meaning of meditation and spirituality is not to escape from life, but learn to live a joyful life where you understand the meaning of the cause of your reactions and actions, not only to yourself and to your life, but also to the people and environment around you, other people's life. So, to be able to live civilized life, you need to understand your animal consciousness, to be able to proceed in your life and be the authentic yourself. This was a message from Lord Muruga through me, Om Hum Gam Namo. Thank you.